the sort of racking we supply would be cantilever racking and heavy duty racking, primarily into such industries as the timber, steel, aerospace and other heavy duty applications. We also supply such specialist areas as the marine industry, for storing, for example, boats in boatyards.
The value of Wickens to the customer is that we can go out on site from day one of the project. We can assess the site needs and requirements, make sure that what we design when we come back here, which is bespoke, suits everything that the customer needs.
It's important to use a heavy-duty racking manufacturer because of the design and backup behind the manufacture. It's very important, for example, that all the steel sections are calculated correctly to carry the load.
You can see everything that is made on screen, three-dimensional, so fixings, etc. can all be checked to make sure that everything fits together absolutely perfectly before it goes into manufacture.
It's not just about manufacturing, it's not just about checking materials as we use them, it's about the entire business. Right the way from when we first receive orders, through the design stage, designing quality into the product and then feeding that through the business.
All of our products carry the appropriate load label so that the customer knows exactly what can be put on each level. We provide certificates of conformity, and there are some companies out there that just fabricate racks out of metal that can't always supply that.
Because what we produce is generally bespoke, it's made it even more difficult, but more important for us, to introduce lean aspects into the manufacturing process. By introducing lean, we're actually driving down costs, and it's these cost savings and quality that we're passing on to the customer at the end of the day. By going down the ISO route, we're actually guaranteeing that we conform to certain industry standards.
The heavy-duty racking is unique because it takes far greater loads than the standard pallet racking that people can buy, for example, off the internet.
Every job we do is bespoke to the customer. We get information from them as to what they want to store, how much of the stuff they want to store, and we provide a solution that meets their requirements.
Not many people can take a project from start to finish and to factor in all the design work. For us, it's one of the big value-add parts of the business.
A couple of interesting projects that we have worked on are, for example, for the Port of Hull, which was a massive cantilever racking job, filling one of their largest sheds for storing timber that literally came off the boat. Another project that we recently completed was for storing aluminium coils, which weighed 7 tonnes each, up to 11 metres up in the air. The capability that it gives us with everything being on site is control. We are responsible for our own actions, from buying in the raw materials, welding it together, manufacturing the racks, delivering them to site and putting them in.
In short, if we say we're going to do something, we do it, delivering what our clients need, on time, every time.